Many times, small changes and cautious predictions are what make the financial markets tick. But one story can send shockwaves around the world like a supernova. Cnbc said that XRP would go over $25,000 overnight, which caused a frenzy among investors, traders, and people watching. This amazing statement not only changes the way we think about digital currencies, but it also changes the way we think about money in general. Imagine waking up to find that the value of the digital coins in your digital wallet has grown by a huge amount, turning small investments into huge riches in an instant. Doesn't the thought make your spine tingle? This isn't just a far-off dream, it's a pulsing reality as we look into how XRP Ripple's quick rise happened and what it means for the future of cryptocurrencies. XRP Ripple is more than just a cryptocurrency, it's a digital change. It makes real-time global transfers possible anywhere in the world and was built to be fast and large. Ripple is different from many of its competitors because it wants to work with banks and other financial institutions to make international transfers faster and easier. XRP's main feature is that it can act as a middleman currency, making it easier for people to trade different currencies. Because of this feature, it stands out in the banking world and could greatly cut down on costs and transaction times. The XRP unit from Ripple is a tool that can change the way people around the world think about and use money. XRP will go over $25,000 overnight. This bold comment from CNBC caught everyone in the market by surprise. Right away, it had an electric effect that sent shockwaves through the cryptocurrency markets and brought XRP to the public's attention in a way that had never been seen before. Investors rushed to make changes to their portfolios, while doubters questioned whether or not such a statement could come true. The statement was the spark that set off a flurry of activity on trading platforms around the world. Figuring out what this prediction is based on and what it means is very important as we look at how it might affect the overall financial situation. Following the path of XRP, Ripple has a history of big price changes, which is common for coins. From small beginnings, XRP has reached several high points, including a notable rise in 2017, followed by a sharp drop. These changes show how uncertain the crypto market is as a whole, as regulatory news, technology progress, and changes in investor sentiment can all affect it. Taking a close look at how it has done in the past gives CNBC's crazy statement some context and shows how unpredictable the cryptocurrency world is. The suggested rise in XRP is caused by a number of factors, including market sentiment, investor behavior, and global economic factors. Speculation is very important, and the news and media often feed it. In addition, improvements in technology within Ripple's platform. Some changes like better security features or new partnerships could boost investor trust, which would raise its value. Figuring out these factors helps us understand not only why such a surge might happen, but also how long it might last in the unstable world of cryptocurrency. As different as the world's economies are, so will the responses to CNBC's forecast. The news made people even more excited about digital currencies in tech-savvy places like Silicon Valley and East Asia. At the same time, traditional financial hubs stayed cautious, focusing on worries about regulation and stability. People were talking about theories all over social media with feelings ranging from joy and optimism to doubt and criticism. This wide range of reactions shows that people around the world have different ideas about the future of coins. Different financial experts and experienced analysts had different responses to the prediction. Some agreed with the positive view, pointing out Ripple's new technology and growing use. Some people warned of speculative bubbles that could cause another financial crisis. By looking at these expert views, you can balance out the over-the-top predictions with more realistic ones, giving you a fuller picture of how the market prediction might actually pan out. There is a lot at stake for businesses. People who already own XRP could make a lot of money from an overnight surge like the one that was forecast, but they could lose everything if the bubble bursts. Short-term traders may see the instability as a chance to make money, while long-term buyers might want to think again about how stable and profitable it is to hold XRP. Such a surge would have an effect on portfolios all over the world, changing how people spend and how they participate in the market. XRP's expected rise is unlike anything that has ever happened with other cryptocurrency. People have seen similar things happen with Bitcoin and Ethereum, but not on this scale. By looking at these similarities, you can figure out what makes XRP Ripple stand out in the market and whether this surge is a sign of bigger changes to come or just a one-time event. There is a lot of risk when there is a lot of gain. Rapid price raises can cause a lot of volatility, which could make the market unstable. Also, the way regulators react to such sudden growth could create new problems. Investors and people who follow the market need to think about these risks, weighing the chance of big drops against the allure of quick rewards. The future of XRP and coins is still full of possibilities and unknowns. If XRP goes as high as CNBC says it will, it could change the way markets work and how money is handled around the world. But because digital currencies are so changeable, it's best to be careful. Trends show that Bitcoin is becoming more and more connected to traditional finance. This could make digital currencies more stable and widely accepted. The story of how CNBC said XRP would go over $25,000 overnight is both exciting and scary. It shows how digital currencies could change the way traditional finance works, but it also shows how risky it is to invest in cryptocurrencies. As we move through this changing world, the mix of doubt and hope that affects how investors think and act in the market will definitely have an effect on the future of XRP Ripple and the cryptocurrency market as a whole.